Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make another Marvel Rivals account. Marvel Rivals ties your in-game progress to your platform accounts, like Steam or Epic Games. This means you cannot simply log out of your Marvel Rivals profile from within the game itself. The easiest way to create a new account is by utilizing a separate Steam account. This method allows you to start fresh with a brand new in-game identity. Another straightforward approach involves the Epic Games Launcher. If you do not already have it, download and install the Epic Games Store application. Then, install Marvel Rivals through this launcher. When you log in with a separate Epic Games account, a completely new Marvel Rivals profile will be generated. This allows you to easily switch between your Steam and Epic Games launchers to access different accounts. For those playing on a console, the process is equally simple. First, sign out of your current console user profile. Next, log in with a different existing console account or create a brand new one if needed. Once you launch Marvel Rivals under this new console profile, the game will automatically prompt you to create a fresh in-game account, giving you another unique Marvel Rivals experience. Remember, each separate platform account you use, whether it is Steam, Epic Games, or a console profile, will generate its own unique Marvel Rivals account. It is crucial to keep track of all your login credentials to ensure you can access each profile whenever you wish. This easy method offers a flexible way to enjoy multiple distinct gameplay experiences within Marvel Rivals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.